Hey guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day today. I just want to go over something that I've been having troubles with for a couple months now. I finally got this figured out maybe a month ago. The reason why I was having troubles is I couldn't find a video that was talking about this specifically. I found workarounds, but there was a specific type of sub accounts that would not work for this, mainly because of what their ID was. So that's why I wanted to make this video. Basically what this is customizing the look of all your sub accounts, but not just all of them to be the same exact thing, but customizing them for each one to look a little bit different than the other. So let's say you're working with the corporate account that they want to keep their branding, colors, and look on the software. You could actually do that, but keep everything else exactly the same as your business, all within the same agency account. So how would you do this? One, you go into your agency view inside of Go HighLevel. Click on settings, you go down to companies, you scroll down until you see custom CSS. Now, if you didn't know this is actually where you can customize the design and look of your Go HighLevel account. So, just to give you an idea, if I just put this code right here to update the sidebar, and then refresh, what's going to do is it's going to update the color and design on the sidebar as well. So that seems to be working fine. Now, if I go to another account, let's say A&P Properties, it's still going to have that same look. And if I go to a different account, let's say Lexington, it's still going to have that same exact look across the board. So let's say we want to actually make it look different on on all your different accounts. It's really simple on how to do that. What you'll need to do is you'll need to put a code like this. So basically what you're doing here is you're actually putting in the Subaccounts ID or the company ID in there, which you could easily get into two different spots. So if I go ahead and update this, you go into, and we'll refresh the page just as well. We'll go into that one of those accounts. Let's say, I think it was Labor Max. Yep. As you can see, this color has now been changed. Now what I did is I just grabbed this little piece of bunch of letters and characters right there. That's actually the business profile ID. If I go down to settings and business profile, it will also be there as well. So now that's one way to fix it. However, some accounts will not work with that specific code. So if I tried, like for example, this one, theirs actually starts with a digit. Now classes cannot start with the digit. If you don't know CSS, basically what we're doing is we're building a class right there by putting a dot and then the company ID. However, class can't start with a digit. It has to start with a letter of some sort. So that's just why this won't work. If I try it out, let's try it. Go into settings, we'll go back to company, we'll put in that code as well. All right, update, refresh, and then we'll go into that specific account, Colorado Springs, and as you can see, it still didn't do anything. It still works for the other one. If I go into this one right here, you'll see that this code works perfectly. Now, how do you figure this out? This was the part that I was having trouble with. I finally figured it out, and this is what I'm going to show you guys. It was actually, it was a little bit difficult, I'm not going to lie. And that's why I wanted to show it, because I don't want people going through the same exact problems as I did. But this is all you have to do. Copy and paste. So, same concept right here. You put in, you still have to use the company ID as you can see right there. So if I go ahead and let's just go ahead and shade this out. And put this in there instead. Class star equals quotation marks the company ID. And then whatever section that you want to update. In this case, we're just updating the sidebar. And then inside of here, this is the code that you will actually put in to design that area as well. Once you do that, you're going to update really fast, refresh the page, and we'll go to that specific page really fast. Colorado Springs, and as you can see, now it's working fine. I'm going to include the link inside, or the code inside the section below, but I hope this helps someone. I know it was a pain for me, so hopefully I'm helping someone as well. Thank you so much.